Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A23. In this video I'll show you how to add internet speed indicator in status bar. In the beginning, let's go to Play Store and search for Internet Speed Meter Light app. Download it. Now open the app. Go to Three dots button, Preferences and Advanced Settings. Now select Add to Whitelist. Search for all apps. And now search for Internet Speed Indicator app. Make sure to unmatch this app. And now in the status bar you can find Internet Speed Indicator. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.